Congratulations on your purchase of the most innovative and advanced flying RC ever made. The Ironman RC Extreme Hero is the first ever flying superhero, and it puts you in control of Ironman. The following is included with your purchase: 1 Ironman Extreme Hero, 1 remote controller, 1 instruction manual, 1 extra pair of propellers. Your hero is made from lightweight and durable foam and is equipped with the latest super thrust motors and high-capacity battery. Your hero controller is an extended range 2.4 GHz remote capable of ranges greater than 200 feet. The pivot turning mechanism gives you greater control and maneuverability than any RC plane. Please read this manual carefully and watch this flight training video before attempting to fly your Ironman RC Extreme Hero. Please make sure you are always conscious of your own personal safety and the safety of others. Make sure the power switch of the controller is in the off position. Insert or replace 6 AA batteries in the correct polarity as indicated inside the battery compartment. Note, there are minor size variations in AA batteries. Some battery brands must be installed very carefully to ensure a true connection. If the lights in your controller do not come on in either the CHA or on position, or flicker when the controller is shook, check the battery connection. Note, before your first flight, charge your hero for a complete charge cycle. Make sure the power switch of the Ironman RC Extreme Hero is in the off position during charging. Note, always switch off the hero after flying. Connect the charging head from the controller to the charging port on the hero. Note, ensure the charge head is in the correct orientation. The triangle mark on the cable charging head should point to the triangle mark on the hero's charging port. Set the power switch of the controller to CHA position to begin charging, the far left position. The red charging LED will blink quickly, indicating Ironman RC Extreme Hero is now being charged. The LED will turn off once fully charged. Note, if the red charging LED is blinking slowly, you need to put in fresh batteries in your controller. Ironman RC Extreme Hero requires between 45 to 60 minutes for a full charge, for approximately 5 to 7 minutes flight time. Note, charging time can vary depending on the remaining charge of the hero's onboard battery and the freshness of the controller's AA batteries. Disconnect the charging head. Switch the controller back to off, center position. Fly in an open, grassy area that is free of trees, buildings, and wires. Do not fly near roads, people, or animals. For outdoor use only. Note, especially for novice flyers, we recommend a large open space like a soccer or a baseball field. Do not fly in lightning storms, rain, sleet, snow, or other adverse weather conditions. The hero flies best on calm days. Do not fly in windy conditions. Even moderate winds may overpower the best of superheroes and make the Ironman RC Extreme Hero difficult to control. Please ensure the controller is off, center position. Switch on the Ironman RC Extreme Hero. The red light in the hero's battery compartment will blink. Switch on the controller, far right position. Hold the controller in your left hand and the hero in your right hand, being certain you are clear of the propellers. Push the throttle stick, the left stick, all the way forward, and then all the way back to its minimum position, and then fully forward again to sync the hero to the controller. Propellers on the hero will turn once controller is activated. Repeat if necessary. Note, you will need to sync the hero and the controller anytime either unit is switched off, or times out, or loses sync. If the LED light in the hero is blinking or the green LED on your controller is blinking, you need to resync. Now that you have successfully synced your hero to your controller, it's time to fly. Hero power switch should still be in the on position. Controller power switch should still be in the on position. Set the trim dial to central position. Check the wind direction. Always launch your hero into the wind for the best takeoff and flight results. Hold the controller with your left hand with your left thumb on the throttle stick. Hold your hero by his chest in your right hand. keeping the propellers clear of your face and hands. Push the left throttle stick 3/4 to fully forward, and gently toss Ironman RC Extreme Hero like a paper airplane, upward at a slight angle. You do not need to throw your hero. Give it a simple flick of the wrist and let the motors and propellers do the rest. As your hero gains altitude, it is important to keep him flying straight. To do this, just tap the directional stick left or right. Be careful not to overturn while your hero is still close to the ground, or he will crash. During the first few takeoffs and flights, crashes are common and expected. The most common mistake is overturning. Keeping him straight by tapping the directional stick right and left is key. Once airborne and flying straight, adjust the power to go up and down. The trim if your hero is drifting left or right, and steer your hero using the directional stick. Your hero has 2 independent motors, left and right. Those motors can spin at different rates. Your trim dial adjusts the power going to each motor so that each spins at the same rate and your hero flies straight. As we said before, wait until your hero is fully airborne before adjusting the trim. If your hero is drifting to the left, this means too much power is going to the right motor. So you trim it back by turning the trim dial to the right. If your hero is drifting right, turn the trim dial to the left. Note, when making sharp turns, your hero will lose altitude as more power goes to one motor versus the other. For best results, steer your hero by tapping the directional stick left or right, rather than trying sharp turns. Your Ironman RC Extreme Hero is equipped with the latest 2.4 GHz extended range controller. This means you can fly the hero to great heights and distances. While we only promise a range of 200 plus feet, don't be surprised if you actually experience 300 feet or more. If the hero exceeds the range of the controller, power will automatically shut off and the hero will land. The advanced technology in the controller will automatically adjust to one of 16 channels to prevent interference with other heroes or other radio signals. Note, if you and your friends are flying multiple heroes in the same general area, please take care to ensure sufficient space between heroes. The hero is made of lightweight foam specifically designed for superior flight. Damage can and will occur during normal use of any outdoor flying RC. Repair and maintenance of your hero is easy. Simply apply a small amount of clear tape to the damaged area. Even a complete breakage is fixable with clear tape. If a propeller breaks, gently remove the broken propeller. Make sure not to bend the axle. Replace with a spare propeller, being certain to only use the left propeller on the left side and the right propeller on the right side. Ensure that the flat side of the propeller is facing the motor. The axle should be inserted into the flat end of the propeller. Push the axle all the way through the propeller. So now you are good to go. Enjoy your flight.